Good day! Today, we're going to name 15 species that can be found ranging from 0 to 100 meters.
Tara! Let's find out!
So, first, we have sea cucumber, or locally known as sili-sili. Sea cucumber is used for medicinal like to treat fatigue, impotence, constipation, frequent urination, and joint pain.
Second is we have blue crab. Blue crab is a high amount of vitamins, high quality proteins, amino acid and minerals such as calcium, copper, and zinc.
The third one is oyster. Oyster, it produces pearls and nacre which are used in jewelry and decoration.
The fourth one is we have sea urchins. Sea urchin is rare bean used for anti-inflammation, antimicrobial, antioxidant, anti-cancer, anti-fatigue, anti-diabetic, and anti-allergic agent.
Fifth, we have ponyfish. Ponyfish is a good for food. It is rich in protein, omega-3, fatty acids, and minerals like calcium.
The sixth one is the hen clams. Hen clams is classically prepared in pasta and soup. Manila clams can be baked, poached, salted, and steamed.
Seven, we have fin shell. Fin shell have been used to make jewelry, buttons, inlays, and other decorative items.
The eighth one is the starfish. Starfish is used for a source of time by farmers and areas where limestone is unavailable.
Next, we have sea anemones. Sea anemones compound and extract display anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and antimicrobial activities.
The last one is we have a crab. Crab are prepared and eaten as a dish in many different ways in all over the world.